Hey guys, welcome back to Fleet Friday. Today we are on Roosevelt Island in Manhattan and we're going to be taking a look at the Soc compressor unit. It is a 2005 Ford F450 Super Duty Power Stroke Turbo Diesel V8. It is assigned on major matrix assignments for collapses, trench rescues, 1060 and 1066 signals, as well as dewatering operations. The main purpose of this rig is to carry the hose for the Con Ed vac trucks to suck up debris at collapse sites. Con Edison is the provider for electric, gas, and steam in New York City. Con Ed will send 2 vac trucks on the collapse signal of 1060. This truck also has a 250 cubic feet per minute compressor on it at the max air pressure of 100 pounds to supply air knife, jackhammers, pavement breakers, concrete drills, and heavy demolition equipment via 2 of the 100-foot hose reels on each side of the rig. This unit is staffed by 1 rescue operations firefighter. It is equipped with an MDT and 1 radio. It responds to about 150 calls per year. We're going to be taking a look around this rig. In this first compartment here, we have in the black box, you got flares and DOT triangles, got jumper cables, air hose, and small like forestry type hose. On the back of the truck here, we have numerous sizes of vac hose to connect to the Con Ed vac trucks, as their vac trucks only have enough of hose for the sewers. There's 4, 6, and 8-inch hoses, and some are flexible. And then on the top here, the main one goes at the end. The yellow is the air-water separate, and the orange is the safety pull string to stop the vacuum on the spot. The green crate back here has green connectors to put on the vac hose to keep them together. In the red box here, we have jackhammers, the air knife, a set of irons, a water suit for flooded basements, extra air hose, spikes put in the ground. And then down here we have 6 trench panels, basically very strong plywood. This compartment here, you got oilers, and connections here. And a Halligan. And then you got this manifold here. An oiler gets set up to each one and injects oil into the system. Here's a better look at the compressor here. Again, it's 250 cubic feet per minute compressor with the max air pressure of 100 pounds. And then you got the 2 reels here that are 100 feet each. And then it also has 4 outlets. Here's another look at the compressor from the driver's side. Again, it has another 100-foot reel and hose reel on this side, and it has 4 other air outlets. Alright guys, here's a quick walk around of the Soc compressor unit with its lights on. Again, the main purpose of this rig is to bring the extensions for the Con Ed vac truck, as they don't keep long enough hose on the truck, only they have enough for sewers. They have the compressor to power concrete breakers and drills, air knife, stuff in that nature. This unit will also get assigned on dewatering operations, and they will assist the dewatering unit. But this unit is staffed 24/7, 365 by one firefighter, and if it's not used at a collapse scene, this extra firefighter is assisting in rescue operations at the scene. If you have any questions about the Soc compressor unit, you can leave them in the comments and I will do my best to get you an answer. Until next week, stay safe, and we'll catch you at the next Fleet Friday.